Okay, good morning or good day once again. Here is our third session for the day. This time, we are going to discuss clarity. Ano pang ibig sabihin ng clarity? Okay, let me ask. I'll give you maybe 5 seconds to think of the word clarity. Go. Maraming salamat po for your cooperation. Tama kayo. Clarity means clearness. That is that the material that you're writing, pag sinabi kong material that you're writing, it is either an essay, a short story, or a novel. It means that it is clear and therefore easier to understand. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng clarity. Clearness. Maliwanag, madaling maintindihan. Okay, tingnan natin. You might have observed effective modification. Check yung mga sentences mo. Well, there is parallelism. Check. But how about the clarity of your expression? Yun na naman ang isang problema to deal with. So, how do we attain clarity of expression or vividness? Okay, ito yung mga dapat ninyong tandaan. Kasi when you are writing, you are not writing for yourself, but you are writing for your audience. Okay, so how do I attain clarity of expression? Here is number 1. Avoid verbal dead woods. Oh, ano ba itong mga verbal dead woods? Ito yung mga words na ginagagamit natin pero unnecessary naman. These are actually unnecessary words from phrases or sentences that we always use. Kasi ito mahilig tayo, mga verbal dead words. Tingnan natin yung isang example dito. Okay? I think the killer used a long-handled instrument for turning earth in murdering Victoria. Nako, ang haba naman. Tignan nyo yung ginamit. Long-handed instrument for turning earth. Diba, mas maganda kung mas malinaw, kung ganito na lang ang isulat mo. I think the killer used a spade in murdering Victoria. Compare the two sentences. Diba, mas madaling maintindihan yung I think the killer used a spade in murdering Victoria. Here is another example, very worthy naman ito. In the immediate vicinity of the church where Joe and Jane were united in holy matrimony, a ghost appeared. Very worthy. Now, yung immediate vicinity and united in holy matrimony, okay lang naman yan, kaya lang ay mahirap maintindihan. So, why not just say, near the church where Joe and Jane were married, a ghost appeared. Palitan na lang natin yung in the immediate vicinity of the church. Sabi na lang natin, near the church. So instead of saying, united in holy matrimony, why not just say married? That is more understandable. That is much clearer. Here is the last example. Tingnan natin ito. The prisoner was able to make his escape while the jail guards were playing poker. Masyadong mahaba ito. Okay? So, instead of saying was able to make his escape, ganito na lang. The prisoner escaped while the jail guards played poker. Huwag mo nang ilagay played poker game kasi game naman talaga yung poker. Okay? So, you see, using those verbal dead woods will only prolong your sentence and will only complicate matters. So, ang mangyayari dyan, yung sinusulat mo, kahit na may parallelism, even if you are using effective modification, but you are using verbal dead woods, it is still ineffective. Number 2, use simple words. Remember that you are not writing for yourself, ha? Hindi ka nagsusulat para sa sarili mo. You're writing for your audience, and most probably yung mga audience mo ay mga ordinary readers. So ang ibig kong sabihin, you have to use the words that they can understand. Sa halip na sabihin mo na terminate, sabihin mo na lamang na end. Ganun ka mo na lang. Ito yung example, okay? Many demonstrators were incarcerated by commencing immediately. Naku, ang nakakalalim. Incarcerated, commencing immediately. Why not just say, many demonstrators were jailed for starting a riot? O, diba, mas maintindihan yun ng iyong mambabasa. So, do not just say, the discovery of the wheel was a monumental success. Why not just say, the discovery of the wheel is a big success? Palitan yung monumental. Use big. Now, it's okay if you have a good stock of vocabulary, but you have to use it sparingly, dear followers. Okay lang na marami kang mga tuxedo sa iyong closet, pero hindi naman araw-araw igagamitin mong mga yun, di ba? So use the words that the ordinary readers can understand. Remember this advice: write to express, not to impress. Okay? Next one, number 3, use specific words. There's no sense of saying tragedy. Anong klaseng tragedy yun? Is it a fire? Is it an earthquake? Is it a flood? So instead of saying, about 3 o'clock in the morning of Wednesday, great tragedy struck the town, sabihin mo na lang na, about 3 o'clock on Wednesday morning, a big fire hit the town of Villase. So specific yun. Here is another example. His head was injured by a blunt instrument. Which part of the head are you talking about? Anong klaseng injury? And what kind of blunt instrument are you talking about? Hindi yan specific. Okay, to be specific, why not just say, his skull was fractured by a hammer. Huwag mo nang sabihin na hard hammer. Siyempre, martilyo yun, di matigas. Which will bring me to the next reminder. Avoid unnecessary repetition. Huwag mo namang sabihin, repeat again for the second time, because that is redundant. You just say repeat. Look at this one. Nostradamus made many accurate advanced prediction. Prediction nga, hindi siyempre advanced. Alisin mo na lamang yung advanced. Just say, Nostradamus made accurate prediction. O ito, tingnan pa itong example. I heard this somewhere. I have 3 daughters and all are girls. Ano yun? Siyempre daughters, di puro girls. Diba? Why not just say, I have 3 daughters. Kamo na lang. Diba? Okay? Baka mamaya sabihin mo, I have 5 sons, lahat sila mga lalaki. Well, that is already redundant. Okay, so let me summarize. Okay. 1. In order to attain clarity, ito yung muna natin tandaan. Okay? Iwasan yung mga verbal dead words. Ito yung mga unnecessary words na inilagay-lagay natin sa mga pangungusap natin. Okay? Kagaya ng it is my belief ka mo, isabihin mo na lang I believe, diba? Next one is we should also avoid the use of high sounding words. In other words, use simple words. Okay? Huwag mo nang sabihin na monumental, phenomenal, panamang mga yun. Those are actually very big words. So instead of saying monumental, big ka mo na lang. O yung mga highfalutin words, kasi kung minsan mahilig tayong magpa-impress. So we use the vocabulary that we have. Tuloy din naintindihan ng mababasa mo. Next, use specific words. Okay? Do not just say wound. Anong klaseng wound? Maaring fracture, kamo na lang. Okay? Next one is avoid unnecessary repetition. Yung sinasabi nating repetition is yung paggamit na salita na isinasuggest naman the other sentence. For example, hot boiling water ka mo. Kung hot, siyempre boiling yon. So do not say hot boiling water, just say boiling or hot water ka mo na lang. And do not also say cold ice. Bakit? Mayroon bang mainit na yelo? Okay? So this time, try to improve the following defective sentences again. Okay? Thank you for your time.